Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at Megacon for the 2022 edition of the convention. It is Thursday.
Day one.
Day one. We're gonna be here every single day for this event. Today, we have some interesting plans. Jessica, I believe, is gonna be in a panel.
What's your panel?
Jessica's in a panel today with our friends from Legends of the Traveling Tardis. I'll be sure and link that down in the description if you want to check them out. There's not a ton of stuff going on for the Thursday opening.
There's a lot of people here though.
There is a lot of people here for the first day. We're gonna walk around, see what's going on. If you haven't done so already, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to consider subscribing. Helps the channel out greatly. We have Logan with us. She's down here screaming and saying yeah to everything I say. Let's check out Megacon 2022. Yes. So the first thing you see when you walk in is this massive booth called Whatnot. We're saying to scan here. And when you use it over here, right? I mean, they might have chips in it, but you get prizes. One of them's a PS5, which she said's already been picked. But all the other ones are more expensive. So Jessica's doing it. This is interesting. This is a big booth. This place is crazy. I've never heard of Whatnot though. All right, she's going up. That looks like the one to me. I'd say that lone one is the move. We're stuck and you just forfeit. See, there you go. You picked the one. I don't know, follow your heart.
I don't know, that was my heart.
Oh, your heart lied.
B9.
Oh, B9.
Okay. It's cold.
Well, I hope so.
So then no, I just...
Oh, got it.
I got a pin.
You got a pin?
I got a pin. But now you have to try. It's for you. I got it for you. All right, Kendall is scanning his QR code. Kendall is entering his information. Logan is having a meltdown. Okay, I'll take those. Which one did you pick?
B2.
B2.
Oh. Got a pin.
Got a pin. We got 2 pins.
Not a win.
You want to try too? You want to do
Try
it?
it? You can do it.
Oh, okay. Take it for Daddy. Okay.
You want to push button? I think E2. Can you reach that?
Push hard.
Do it again.
Push hard.
2.
Good job. Can you say thank you?
Oh my God.
Say thank you. I think you got a pin.
Day to open it and see? It is cold, isn't it? You got a pin. A very own pin.
Wow.
We'll put it on you, okay?
I mean, the cans are cool.
Cans are cool. We'll save these. Pretty awesome.
That's awesome.
Pretty sweet. So number one, walk through the middle of this booth and it reminds me of like a weird kind of Tokyo, New York metropolitan vibe. It's pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. Don't know what he's doing. But he's got like pops and stuff and a phone and stuff, and I have no idea what Whatnot is. But this booth is like crazy impressive. I don't know what's happening. All right, what is this? They have a lift. They have a bunch of boxes. They have a big crane machine controller. I really think these people are like bobbing for like products. What the heck is this? Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, it's really cool. That line is probably, the line is very long. You just pull the lever back. She is hoisting it to the air. Oh my God, she's blindfolded. Kind of. Not really. She's supposed to be blindfolded. This is weird. so this is like a screen for their live shot. I guess they're auctioning stuff. Guess that's what Whatnot does. Man, forgot what a big convention looks like. It's so freaking big. This floor is huge.
And this was last year. You came on Thursday. I didn't come. But it didn't look like it was nearly this busy.
No, there's way more people here this year. This weekend's gonna be nuts. So, as a kid from the 80s and 90s, I love arcades. These things are like the biggest arcade machines ever. That's freaking cool. Custom built. $6,600 for one of the big boys. That is freaking sweet. Very cool. Dude, he just pulled out the drawer here. That is so sick. How many of these do you build a year?
I don't know.
You don't know? You just work for the company?
Yeah. No, I mean, it's just me and Ed, but
oh, yeah?
it's a couple hundred.
That's awesome, man. Those are super cool. If you are in the business for a super awesome arcade machine, that's it, Retrocade. That's awesome. Logan just met a friend from the 501st Legion. Awesome. I love these guys. They're always so good. So I guess this is Rocky Horror, huh? Woo, it's awesome. Annual Transylvanian Convention back there. Interesting. That's so cool. Checking out the Dalek Builders in Florida. These guys are awesome. They were here last year. It's super cool. You drive these around. They're super awesome. And Logan found the Tardis. She's very excited, so I'm assuming she remembered it from last year. Signatures. So cool. Sign definitely says they'll promise not to exterminate you this time. Can you say fezzes are cool? That's right, fezzes are cool. They're so awesome. The Dalek builders also said that they do have a lot more Daleks, but they're on a panel right now. So we'll stop by tomorrow and check out all the Daleks. So we stopped into the panel for Legend of a Traveling Tardis. Jessica's actually in this bit. So it's gonna be fun.
Okay, good. I'm gonna die. Have you walked through there? It's Thursday.
Yes.
Same place you did. I'll vote for anybody who legalizes cattle prods at conventions right now. It's everybody wants to stop in front of me, who wants to look at something that they just passed, and they went back to see, and went past me again to stop and see what they just passed. 5 times.
I'm sorry, but it's 10. Yeah, I'm a female. I am. It's fine. It's fine.
Your gender designates your doctor now. I get it. Okay, fine.
I would accept. I would accept 9 too.
Did anybody see the leaked photos?
I did. Of course I did. It's like it hasn't aged in 15 years.
Forwards or backwards, Jess?
Okay. All right. Well, I because I had prepared for something else, I had to prepare on the fly. So 10th Doctor is there. He's like, "What do you want to do?" I'm gonna go backwards because I want to see what happened to the dinosaurs. But in a all the way down to like the last 30 seconds. Yes, yeah, you're right. Yeah. I need to know.
Big asteroid.
Is it the Daleks' fault? Oh my. Well, there you go. Now I don't need to know.
Just blame everything on Daleks for crying out loud.
Dinosaurs ended up on a spaceship.
They did. I saw that. But I mean, you know, it's a question that I don't know that anybody really knows the answer to because we keep changing dinosaurs every year. Everything I know in my childhood, it's like this dinosaur doesn't exist anymore. So I want to know it's real. And then the 30 seconds before the asteroid hits, I'm gonna get my TARDIS. We're gonna go.
Well, wait a minute. If you know how do you know?
I'm just
What's
assuming.
the asteroid?
I'm assuming.
You're assuming.
I'm assuming. Or the Daleks. So before the Daleks or the asteroid, whichever one, 30 seconds before. Hightail it out.
All right, so Jessica just finished her panel, and the whole gist of it, I don't know if you could hear, Logan was kind of talking the whole time, because what else is a 3-year-old going to do in a panel? Yeah. So the whole gist of it was, if you
Like if picking the doctor comes, opens the door of the TARDIS, are you going forwards or backwards in time with your choice doctor?
Right. And then Jessica started an entire clan of David Tennant lovers
Yeah,
to take over the panel.
obviously.
The Dalek enjoyed it.
Well, yes, the Dalek enjoyed it. But we outnumbered everybody, so yeah.
It's true. That was fun.
It was.
If you haven't checked out Legend of the Traveling TARDIS,
Legends of the Traveling TARDIS,
Yeah.
we're gonna link.
yeah, we'll link down in the description. They're awesome. They do a podcast every week. They're good dudes. Logan found the Batman, the balloon Batman, but the Batman.
I mean, that took somebody a long time to make.
Really did. It's really cool. Holy crap, I didn't see the cape on the back of it. Dude, that's actually really cool. That's awesome. Don't touch it. And over here, it's Harley Quinn. That's awesome. Yeah. Where'd they find balloons that big to do the legs? That's pretty crazy. Very cool. So that's it from us in day one of MegaCon Thursday. Today was a short day. It was only open from like 5 hours or something like that. 4 hours, yeah.
But then we realized after we got here that we bought the 4 days and we could have came at 2.
Yeah, we didn't know that.
We didn't know. Now we know.
But you know, it's gonna be a fun-filled, full, it's a lot of F's, weekend. We're gonna be here every day.
A lot of content tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna get through a lot of this the next couple of days. We do have some really cool panels lined up that we're gonna check out and film. It's gonna be a good weekend. So if you haven't done so already, be sure, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. MegaCon. It's gonna be a fun-filled weekend. Fun-filled full.
Fun-filled full.
That's so many F's. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.